Attack the spectral figure again. This time the battle cries. Can we make the dungeon master's responses more to the point and a little bit more concise? Cloud engineering, cloud workspace administrator, data practitioner. $200, man, that shit's a scam. Oh, it's good. Hey, sorry, I just now seen your chat, Softwire. It's going pretty good. I've been struggling to get the chat to sound cool while being concise and still leading you on a narrative. It seems to like to describe a lot, which that's what I'm trying to get away from. I'm trying to keep it like able to keep up a linear storyline, you know. So let me try to move here and see if it gives me something better. Stands at the edge of the new mountain region, gazing out at the rugged landscape. A worn dirt path leads into the distance, winding between dense forests of snow-capped peaks. A weathered wooden sign creaks in the gentle breeze, bearing the faded inscription, "Ravens Speak." Search the sign for clues. Let's do that. If I choose one of the actions, can you show the role in the chat box and before you narrate so that the player gets instant feedback while they're waiting for the narration to appear? Yeah, that's basically what it's doing. So like right here you can see before it was be vivid and specific, describe what the player sees, hears, smells. MP speaks with personality and quotes. Now it's like be brief, 2 sentences max, location plus hug, that's it. No purple prose, which I don't know what that means. One NPC line in quotes if relevant. Get to the point fast. But it's just slowly improving it over time, hopefully. So like it used to send me paragraphs. Now I'm getting like a whole page. Now I'm getting paragraphs, so it's better. But I want this failure roll. I want that to happen like instantly. It was narrating before. So let's see, I failed that one to search the sign for clues. Alert the bulged eyes, scan the weathered wooden sign. His gaze lingering on the faded inscript, Ravens Peak. He searches the sign, his fingers tracing the goals. Finds hidden compartment a clue. His search is uninspiring. Well, let's just continue down the path. over here. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's definitely not working. You're a very stoic narrator, sharing details of the story, but otherwise a man of few words. I feel like if I say that, it's gonna say something super bold, and then it's gonna be like one word after that. Starts thinking like Confucius or something. And so I got this bag, but I don't like the UI of it, but I don't know what to change. Like I don't like how it's like you can sell from your bag. I feel like the bag should just, maybe I should get rid of this sell. The drop icon's cool. I don't remember how I had it before though.
It's around the Dragon Peaks.
That's the issue. I'm trying to see if I have pictures. Dang, I thought I developed more in this game before, but I guess not. Let's go back to it and see what we got. Where's the script? Fixed. The error was using set tiles instead of set map. The correct save for the setter for the team. Now when you click an action, you'll see your message and dice roll appear immediately while waiting for the DM's response. Okay. Weird. Continue down the path looking for something to battle. Oh, what? Strength? Not enough. Increase strength to improve this roll. Okay. Classes for the response, one for story, one for action, one for response. See, I think you might be onto something with that one, like different classes for the responses. Because in the other game that I was making similar to this, I had a little like bar up here at the top where I could slide it, and it would determine like if you want to battle more or if you would want more storyline or like quest based kind of thing. So if this doesn't work out, I think I'm gonna do something similar to that, because that seemed to work really well. Another thing is like having the dungeon master like always put you on a quest kind of thing. And then look, I'm back to a freaking page. Dude, there's gotta be something wrong with the AI. I gotta like really look at it. But let's see what it says. As you press onward to the path, the trees grow closer together, casting deep shadows that make it difficult to see more than a few feet in front of you. The air is crisp and clean with a hint of wood smoke. You know what? Actually, let me actually see if I have, if I can scrape the old one. For the public style control. Deep shadows. build. Wait. With them, I tried games, but they're kind of terrible at following instructions for anything truly useful. It's funny because it was doing pretty good, and then it like I did something and it altered it, made it terrible. So yeah, I'm just trying to like improve it. I definitely need to like get in there. It's like, here, you're bad at this. Just scrape out zombie, gets to the old program and make it work right. Yeah, basically. Which is funny because oh, here we go. This might be it. Which is funny because the old one I wrote with AI too, so I don't understand. Maybe I just prompted it better. I swear. Damn it! Freaking fix this. Yeah, I know, for real though. I try to be nice to my AI just in case they take over, and then I have to like fight a T80 or something, Terminator. Analyze what the character might discover at a location. So it looks like man, how long is this script? Here, I'm just gonna try something. Copy. Yeah, that's another thing I could try. I could try ChatGPT and see if it gives me a better option. Just keep going. I don't like how the map, like so what do you think of the maps? So before I had it to where, let's see, like it all kind of blended together, but it was like, I generated 6 different tiles at once, and then the outer ones blended together. I think it looks cooler, but also this one seems kind of more diverse. And you can still get like into the little details, like if I made the character smaller, but I don't know. Still debating. I want to get the AI Dungeon Master working very well first. Better than ChatGPT for code. Okay. How are you using Quinn though? Are you using like OpenRouter or what? I'm kind of scared to try this. It's probably gonna be terrible. Let me go to this little place right here, see what it says. I need to improve the speed too. It's kind of slow, but I'm using OpenRouter with the free models right now. I was using Gemini and I was racking up a small little bill. So I hooked up OpenRouter to it. And now it's just using the first 2 free ones, which is Meta Llama. And then if that doesn't work, then it uses another free one on there. Mistral, I think. Yeah, that's a good idea. I thought of something similar to that. I'm just not 100% sure how to implement it. And the only image model I have is Nano Banana, and it's the cheapest one I think, unless you have another open, if there's another one you think that might be better, that I could generate the tiles without spending too much money. The problem with like doing too many tile generations though is it gets pricey. My own local model. Yeah, I don't know how that would work though if I want this to be multiplayer, because you can play it on DunginDragin.com, or you can. But it's all saved to your IndexedDB, and I haven't hooked up backend yet for it to actually display like multiple people. Because like I said, I'm trying to get the AI working very well so that it actually makes a fun story. Your system's already saying you can follow instructions. It's really not bad, just a bit heavy on the hard drive. I mean, I got a M4 MacBook, but I don't know how I would be able to. Why is it has files? Oh, like, wouldn't my computer have to be on all the time though? Like, this is a laptop, so it's not like a desktop I can just leave out and have it running. But yeah, maybe when we get to that point, if it ever gets too much, I'll have to go that route. But yeah, if you know of any other image generation models that I could use that might be cheaper than Nano Banana, I'm open to use. Currently, Moscow Stone Market lies between Etcherton and Warning's Unforgotten Language. Beware the devouring dark, okay? Beware the okay, I just said it twice, what the hell? The region is beset by a strange, unnatural hunger, and the local wildlife has begun to twist and writhe in agony, okay? Like, I feel like this AI is so boring. What? I got worms? It crushes. Wait, thorny bush. The impact causes a splinter piece of stone to shard and fall to the ground, barely inches from the player's face. The air is suddenly filled with sweet yet acidic stench of decaying flesh, and a cluster of twisted giant worms burst from the bush, their eyes fixed on Alaric with the unblinking hunger. Oh gosh. I got flesh-eating worms trying to attack me. Here, I'm gonna go cast a fire spell and burn the worms to a crisp. I see, like, and that should have, so I think I have a magic skill, right? Oh no, I don't. Okay, so I guess that worked. So intelligence, let's see what my intelligence is. 10. But I burnt those things. What the hell? Bruh, I told it to Oh, sweet. They have a $5 a month plan that actually is cool. On a cloud? Are you talking about cloud compute? Oh my gosh, dude, I'm not reading all that. Did I get, oh wait, did I get any XP from that? Alright, back to the drawing board. I don't know why this thing is locked. Coordinates, exchange, Gemini. Let's check this out. Generator. That in here? Oh, that's playwright. I don't need that. That character storage, rate limit, tile storage. Let's see, what is this? Updating Gemini.ts. Where is it? Yo, where is it? Oh, here we go. Wait, no, that's MD. I need Gemini.ts. Oh, where's my project? Okay, am I retarded? Where is it? Oh, here we go. Alright, let's check this out. 32 virtual CPUs, 32 gigs of RAM, and 100 gigs of hard drive space for 20 bucks. Shit, that's pretty good. What do you mean by Gemini's artifact? What is a Gemini artifact? I don't even know what that is. So here we go. Magic actions. Let's try. Let's see. Yeah, I get to continue forward. Here we go, another freaking paragraph I gotta read. Man. Let's see, what did I feel like? What is this? Game.typescript. Just copied, right? I don't know why this is so bad. Hold on, let me try something. Where is it at? Let me try something. Settings. Just letting how experienced am I at programming. I mean, I know how things are set up. I just absolutely despise coding by hand, especially now with AI. Like, I know enough. I don't really know how to explain how much I know. Like, I know enough to like get stuff deployed and like about backends and SQL and all that. But like, why write code when you can get the AI to do it? You know? Oh, yeah. I got you. Is that better? To roll a physical dice that you can see. Yeah, no, I thought about that too. Like have like a 3JS kind of like dice roll on the screen. I think that would be cool. But I want this to be for mobile too, so it's somewhat designed for mobile. So everything scales down. Typically displays in like a mobile kind of view. That way you can sit there and play on your phone. And I don't know how graphics intensive 3JS would be with the actual dice rolling. It would be cool though, for sure. But I don't want to add too much stuff that could go wrong this early in the development. And I feel like that's one thing that I could spend a lot of time on and it would end up looking crappy. I mean, I have Gemini on here. It's set up. I just have to put my key in. So I got Gemini right here, and then this is my open router key. But the thing is, I think it's already in here actually. Is it'll hit the free ones first, and if those fail, then it goes to Gemini. Back in and then have it pop up a small AI video for whatever the role is. Yeah, are you saying like having this pop up right here at first is kind of weird? You would only need really small videos for every single roll, 1 through 20. Oh, I see, like make the actual roll like a video of the dice. Yeah, could do that too. Search the hidden threads. I want to see if the story like progresses anything cool, or if it's just gonna give me like big descriptive paragraphs. Oh, this is kind of cool. Okay, look. As the lyric frantically searched the surrounding areas, his eyes scanning the darkness for any sign of danger or hidden threats, he stumbles upon a faint, flickering glow emanating from a nearby thicket. The light is soft and blue-green, casting ethereal ambience on the twisted foliage. Suddenly, a figure steps out of the thicket, its eyes glowing with otherworldly energy. The figure is a gaunt, humanoid creature with skin like decaying bark and branches for fingers. Its presence seeming to blend seamlessly into the voice. The creature regards Alark with a curious expression as if sizing up before speaking in a voice. Sends down shivers. Welcome, traveler. The devouring dog. We've been expecting you. Try to communicate. So, I really like that idea that you mentioned earlier, though, where we have like a scale and we have different prompts for like how we want to progress in the storyline. I think that's gonna be our next goal. I think that's what I'm gonna do next, because yeah, it seems to be just describing the area in way too much detail and not really giving me much to go on. It's like, oh, a dark creature, what do you want to do? And it's just like, okay. Tilts its head, suddenly you seek the heart of the dark, do you not? It calls you to those who dare in it, but beware, the path is treacherous and the dark hungers. Ask it. Alright, we'll ask it about finding it. Also, I'm not getting any XP. Let me Vitality, mana, and XP. Can you add a percentage indicator, like 50 out of 100%, etc., for the vitality, the HP, the XP, and all of those meters of my character, so that I know exactly how much I have? Okay, make sure that you tell it to reference the current response from its previous response as well. Yeah, so I think right now it stores, like, so all the chats are stored. Like, I can scroll all the way up. All these are stored, and I think it references the last like 8 or 10 chats responses. So it's got quite a bit of memory. And then, like, if I travel to a different tile that I've been to, the whole chat's gonna load. Make sure that yeah, we're about to see if it's able to do it. I did say percent, huh? I meant, we'll see what it does, and if not, I'll change it. But yeah, I don't like how it's just a bar. I want it to say like 100 out of, or 50 out of 100. So then, like, when I roll, if I succeed, I'll get XP, right? Cause look, right down here it says I gained 50 XP, which is just the output. Let me see something. Locations, characters. It's like all the characters I've seen, but I haven't. Yeah, let's see. I might need to add like a timing system. Oh, look, perfect. It did percentages as well. That's cool. I like that. So I got 232 out of 759. Mana is 30 out of 42. Because I casted that fire spell earlier. Vitality 120 out of 190. So I got 63% health, 70% mana, and 30% XP. Alright. Let's see if I can like level up. The creature, yeah, like it aced that one. The XP bar, like the UI looks great now, or at least for that part, it looks good. The creature's eyes glow brighter, and it extends a branch-like hand towards the narrow, winding path leading deeper into the darkness. Follow the path of the glowing fungi. It will guide you to the heart, but be swift. The dark is restless tonight. What should I do? Which one should I pick? Should I do one of these actions? I don't like how it just says use. Like, it should change one. Like, give you 3 different kinds. Maybe I should make that a rule. Like, don't just give you a use one. Mobile devices, especially. Okay. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna look into that. I might have to make like a separate build just to test that out, because I don't want to add too many like 3D stuff and scuff up the UI too much. I want to simplify things if possible. Like, I don't like all these little buttons over here. I want to get rid of like half of these. And then the zoom out thing is way too big. This I think is even too big. Like this view stats button, I don't even think I need that to be that big. I want it to just be like, I feel like the chat is gonna be the main thing. So if I can make this like colorful and beautiful, I think that's the main option. That, and then generating these worlds, and then it'll look really cool when there's a lot of people in here. So imagine like you scroll out and like people are just creating maps, like a whole big old world that you can explore, and you can see other people's chats and like the adventures they've been through. I think that'd be sick. Then you can like party up with them and join their quests. Everything from your tablet, like you program on your tablet. You gotta teach me how to do that. I want to set up a workflow where I'm able to work on my phone. That would be sick. But I've done the, what is it, the Claude codec, or I think that's what it's called. No, Codex is Gemini or OpenAI's. I've seen the Claude code on my phone though, but it's just like a chat box, right? And then it creates like a new build for you, and then you have to pull the PR, but you can't really like view the app, can you? Like, because I don't have a terminal on my phone, so I can't be like npm run on my phone, right? So you're really just looking at the code. I go grab some water real quick. I'm hosting one. Oh yeah, I guess, yeah, I didn't think about that. I guess you could just go to your development server. So I guess I could do the same thing for Cloudflare. I don't have a tablet, I have a phone, so it'd be kind of hard. Let's see. DunginDragin. Yeah, so I guess you just open up like one of these dev domains, and then you just have that in the browser. But the tablet would be cool because you could just have it like in 2 different views, right? On my phone it might be a little bit difficult. I'd have to like swipe up and go to the next page. Alright, so let's see. Alright, I'm gonna follow the path to glowing fungi. I made it! I made it! Still didn't gain any XP though. Maybe if I kill something. Yeah, I'm gonna, if my Cloudflare starts messing up, I'm gonna check out Railway for sure. I've used it in the past for like one project, but I don't know why I stopped. A Bluetooth mouse connected to your tablet, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Casting out otherly worldly glow in the Twitch stream. See, like, it just explains a bunch of stuff, like, way too much. As you venture down the winding path, which is cool, but not, like, I don't need to always tell me the surroundings. Uh-oh, I failed. Continue on your words. Why would I say that out loud? What the hell? Oh, it's the guy that told me to go down the path is like talking to me. Or he's watching me. Made it. Alright, let's see. $5 a month. Lemon Fox. I'm gonna check that out. Oh, not Fox. Fox. I saved another one. Let me see if I can find it. It's in my likes somewhere. Oh, here it is. Chatterbox. I resemble AI. Oh, what happened to that page? Let's see, pricing. 15,000 seconds. .018 a minute. Doesn't say on this one. Where'd that lemon Fox go? Oh wait, text to speech. Yeah, let me see. Quality score. Oh, okay. Performance 5.3, so it's faster. Over $6. Jesus.
Use our API to turn any text into speech in seconds. And
does this offer? Okay. Yeah, I don't figure they'd be free. Right, yeah, it's like you're always paying for something. It's like if open source, you're paying for the hosting. If you want an API, you gotta pay for it. Hey, it's better than Google and AI. $5 a month, 10 million credits, 30 hours of speech to text. Or 2 million characters of text to speech. I'm definitely gonna try this out. Can you, with this one, can you, let me actually copy this, because I'm gonna save this. Can you change the voices though, or is it just a single voice? Because the voice it had for the sample was kind of, let's see. It's kind of, wait, what is this? Oh, this is just our marketing stuff. Text to speech API. Oh, here we go, new voices.
Life is like a box of chocolate. Life is like a box.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
That was kind of cool.
Life is like a box of chocolate.
Life is like a box.
Life is like a box of.
Life is like a.
Life is like a box of chocolates.
ASMR.
Life is like a box of.
Life is like a box. Life is like a box of.
Life is like a
Life is like a box of chocolates.
Yo, this is cool. I am definitely interested in trying this for sure. But yeah, thank you for sending me that link. I'm gonna try that out eventually. I do want to. Let me grab this one too. Wait, where is it? Put this one in there so I don't lose it. Just grab the link to. Oh wait, did I save it? Hold on. I saved it. But yeah, here's the website. It's all the progress I've been making. What app are you building? You're building a text-to-speech app or what? Oh wait, what? Oh yeah. What do you mean actually endpoint LLM conversations? What do you mean by that? Yeah, 10 million tokens a month. Yeah, no, that's super cheap. That's why I definitely want to check it out, because I was thinking like this would be cool, especially if it's on mobile and you can only see this. Like, what if I don't want to read all that and I just like want to listen to it? And then I could have like a little voice icon right here that does speech to text to command your hero. So then you can just have like a narration. It's like, oh, you gained XP, da 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 da. Alright, I need to figure out. Let me get back into code. Wait, what is this? Oh, okay, perfect. This is its output. Let me start a new Claude code. Alright, for this one. Can you tell me, oh shit, wait. What file is used to prompt the Dungeon Master responses? don't actually know. I think it's this Gemini one. But and if it is, I need to change the name of it because Gemini TS is not descriptive. 100 messages today with Restream chat. Cool. Wave fields and oscillators and what? Hold up, you're gonna have to tell me more about that. Physics, dynamic wave fields, and oscillators. Hold up, what are you building? Are you building a robot? Man, I hate the terminal because it does. Oh my god. It does weird stuff like this. Like, there's no padding, margin. The file services. Yeah, Gemini.ts. System promotes initial scene narration when entering a new tile point. Okay, so let's see. Chat with, what is it? Chat with DM. Is there a way that we can take the way that the dungeon master responds and behaves and put that in its own separate file so that it's easier to read without all this code around it? Let me just see if that does anything. Anyways, I don't know. I'm not building a robot. Yeah. Dude, that's crazy. The TSP though, 12 seconds. So you're using, what is it? Non-linear self-organizer. Self-organizing. What? Robust wave equation. I don't know what that is. It's not single specific, usually recognized. Oh, are you talking about, so is that similar, so what you're saying, is that similar to like how everything follows that like bell curve and you're just finding like the disparities in the different functions and calculating for the one that's closely related to the bell curve? Is that kind of what you're doing essentially? Hey, that's cool, man. Are you still there? Can you hear me though? Did I guess it right? Kind of. It's like whenever you're testing for, like, say, bacteria. No, way different than that? Okay. Shoot, man. I'll have to do some research then. It sounds interesting. Yeah, here we go. Look, config DM personality. Or should I make it DM prompts? Yeah, whatever, we'll do that. Or config. Config sounds better, I don't know why. Delta time over 1, okay. Can scale my delta time as high as 10 billion without any issues, probably higher, okay. Just a variable that tells it how many steps you can skip ahead before it has to be measured again, right, okay. Yeah, I'm familiar with delta time. I used to build games in Unity, and they use delta time for like time scaling and stuff. And when you're doing animations, and if you need to pause the game, etc. That's crazy, man. 10 billion? $10 billion times, and he's coding it on his iPhone. Oh man, where do I put this? What do you think? Services/DM prompts? Or in the config DM personality, or in prompts./dm.ts. We'll just do what it recommends for now. Oh shit. See if this works. Collab, that's that Python, right? Collab. That's cool, man. I wanna play with those now. That sounds fun. I mean, a drop-in physics engine for Unreal as well. That sounds complex. Yeah, Jupyter notebooks we could. Yeah, I've used Google Colab in the Jupyter notebook. I don't know much about it though. I used it like once or twice. Alright, so I'm moving my Dungeon Master like responses and prompts to a separate file so that it's more easily maintainable instead of just being in this Gemini TS script with all the code on how it behaves. That's super interesting, man. I wish you the best. Are you subscribed to my channel? Hopefully I can hear back from you. And let's see, are you on YouTube? Soft? No. I don't know how to view your channel. Are you on? Do you do YouTube videos? try to subscribe. Hopefully you post more videos about your AI that you're building with the 10 billion parameter, or your 10 billion speed up. It's crazy. Hopefully my OBS didn't go to my other screen too. Yeah, so let's check this file out. There we go, perfect. Question guidance, base prompts. Now everything's easy to read. I say that and then I just zoned out. Okay, yeah, so it's this whole thing. Man, I'm so mad at Discord. Let's see. I don't even know how to add people in here. Let's see. Direct messages. Where do I add people on here, man? I got too many buttons on this thing. Add friend, here we go. Alright, send you an invite. Yeah, I know this, like how am I supposed to know which chat is in? I got 50 different groups I'm in. And then they got buttons over here, buttons down here, buttons on the top. Like, they need to simplify this. And then I'm pissed off because I joined a group and I was like, oh, like this is for solo role-playing games. And then I was like, hey, I'm building this game, I'd love some feedback. And they're like, this, that, and the other, self-promotion. And then they didn't say anything about, hey, like, you're not allowed to do this or that in a personal message or anything. And then I try to view it today and I guess I'm banned. So I don't know how anybody's supposed to like have friends or build a community if you just get banned from everything. I want to build my own group for creators and not ban anybody unless they're just like consistently spamming every day or something. Like, we should be able to share our work and not get banned. It's so stupid. Mute updates, yeah. I just don't get on it enough to even like care to go through all that process. Like Discord's like, and then like every group that I try to communicate in, I get banned somehow. And it's the same thing with Reddit. I'll go on Reddit, I'll make like one post and it's like, oh, you're banned. I'm like, okay, why though? You at least explain why, so like I don't do it in the future. And It's like you can't say that you made it. You have to be like, oh, I've been using this app recently. And that's stupid because like it just promotes like a community. Like, I don't know, I feel like it's lying almost. I don't know, it's weird. I don't like it. See if my AI finished. There we go. You are a D&D Dungeon Master. Be concise. 1 to 2 sentences max. Well, this shit doesn't fucking add up.
Working across teams is tough, but Asana helps you handle it. That's because Asana is where humans and AI coordinate work together. AI can spot roadblocks and assign work in a snap, so everything and everyone stays on track. That's how work gets handled. That's Asana.
I'm getting kind of tired. I might have to end the stream soon.
That's ASANA.com.
What? Invalid API key? You kidding me? What do you mean not odd? Bruh. Alright, I don't know. Oh gosh. See, like, this is what I was liking. Like, it has different ones, so I can move, I can search, I can talk. That's better. Can you alter the Dungeon Master's responses so like if I fail at something, make it change stuff up, like, oh, something else happened. So like say I'm following down a path and a sign appears, I can like examine it, I can learn about clues, and it leads me on another adventure. Like, I should always be going on some sort of adventure or quest or trying to accomplish something with the prompts, whether that's fighting, collecting items to give to somebody in another city, let's see. Yeah, that's what I feel like Discord is, or all those like groups, and they're just moderated by a bunch of people just sitting at their computer all day with nothing better to do. So like anytime someone creates something, they're like, oh, I don't know how to create, let me ban them. No self-expression here. And it's just a bunch of people marketing stuff, but in like, I say it's crappy ways. It's like, oh, my 7-year-old just learned how to code using this product. Like, oh, really? Like your 7-year-old did? Yeah, I kind of just sound retarded. That's just my natural voice. Yeah, I'm on Suno too. 900 public songs in there. Have you ever tried to publish any on what is the service? Oh man, I want to say GarageBand. That's not it. It's like a digital distributor. You ever try to distribute it and try to get paid for it? What do you mean variable options? It already has that. So I think currently it's set to like 15. So if I roll less than a 15, I fail. If I roll a 15 and above, it succeeds. But yeah, I definitely need to have it to where it's like randomized. So depending on like the task, it'll be like, oh, you have to roll a 3 above or something, like if I'm just walking or something. Yeah, DistroKid. Have you ever put anything on DistroKid? Yeah, I paid for the membership, but I'm like, I don't know what to post. Like, I want it to be good, but then I'm like, oh, am I like just wasting money saving my music up and perfecting it rather than just putting out a bunch of stuff and seeing what hits? You might be onto something with the change the narrative depending on the role. I don't think that's let's see, it's conversation guidance. See, I don't even know if it's using half these roles because it doesn't sound like it is. Test it out. Continue forward. I made it. I've been walking down this path for a hot minute. It's definitely not replying in 1 to 2 sentences though. Let me screenshot that though. Let's see. I think you said before that the dungeon master should reply in like 1 or 2 sentences, but as you can see from the image, I'm getting almost an entire paragraph. I like it a little bit. I think 1 or 2 sentences might be a little too vague, but it doesn't need to be an entire paragraph like it is. Could there be an issue with what we're passing in the code prompting that is allowing it to chat an entire paragraph? Yeah, I think putting my music out there is gonna be on my 2026 list. Right now my main goal is I want to build up a portfolio of projects so that I can get a better job. Because right now I'm a server at a restaurant, and I'd really like to get some sort of software engineering job, or a job that I can like code and build stuff. But it's pretty hard to get into the industry unless you know somebody. So I'm gonna have to like build a badass portfolio and then buff up my resume. And yeah, I need to get a better job because I don't make enough money right now. Alright, so here we go. Failures, not only discovery. Oh wait, what? Oh, I thought I already accepted that. So stupid. Let's see if I got a new. Let me go to a different one. Let's try this one. No, let's see. Maybe this one. I was thinking too, a cool thing to do would be is I can make like videos like this essentially, where it's just like a long thing of music for like fantasy and stuff, and I could have the logo of my Dungeons and Dragons game on there, and people would be like, what's that, when they're looking up Dungeons and Dragons music, and then they would go to it. I thought that'd be like an interesting way to market. Yeah, see, that's the problem I'm dealing with, is like I want it to give description, but I don't want it to just keep saying, let me turn this down a little bit. I don't want it to just keep saying, oh, you hear a whisper in the forest, and then you're like, okay, go down the path, and it's like, oh, now the whisper is glowing eyes, is staring at you. Like, it doesn't give you any kind of like action cues, right? It should be like, oh, the eyes are staring at you, and you're like, okay, go examine the eyes. Oh, a creature popped out or something, you know? I'm struggling to get it to actually give me some action, you know? Alright, let's see. Search the perimeter of the clearing. Not enough. My intelligence is not enough. Rolled a 9 plus 0 intelligence? What? Man. Okay. 1 sentence. 2. 3 sentences. Okay, I guess that's better. to fight some enemies. Where are the bad guys? I want to fight some enemies so I can level up. I also want to find a fair maiden. What? I failed? At what? The player's cries for battle and a fair maiden fall on deaf ears. Yo. It says, the player's cries for battle and a fair maiden fall on deaf ears in the eerie silence of the forest. I'm like, I want battle and a fair maiden. And they're like, crickets. The creature is seemingly unimpressed by the player's bold declaration. Remains still, its glowing eyes fixed on the ancient tree. The twisted trees continue to loom overhead, their branches creaking ominously in the wind. The player's words are met with only the faint rustling of leaves and the distant muffled sound of dripping water. The air remains heavy with an otherworldly energy and the scent of damp earth. The player's quest for a fair maiden seems to have been met with nothing but the crushing silence of the forest. Oh man. Search for a city so I can find myself a fair maiden. A synonym for a fair maiden. Hey, that's a good one. I should have put that as my prompt. I know, right? Hey, can you go to the website and see if it's working for you? Let's see. Alright, I'm putting that in my notes. Stuff to work on. I posted it. Can you see the links? Good. What do you mean by agent overlay? Are you mean like the main prompt? Cause yeah, I think you're right. This is clear your desire to search. The creature blinks slowly, and then they got this freaking creature that just creeping on me. A city, you say? Ah, yes, I know of one. It lies at the heart of the Shadowwood, a place of dark wonder and ancient power. The creature's gaze drifts back to the ancient tree, and it adds, "But be warned, adventurer, the city is hidden behind a veil of darkness." Prove myself worthy? Bruh. Just take me to the city. Alright, I'm gonna try the first thing. I feel like this music is just getting louder though. Alright, so let's go here. Can you make a slider for the AI Dungeon Master that is able to go from more of like a battle sense that gives the player responses like you're looking for battle, or ones that are more towards adventure and smaller quests like gathering items for other characters, and more exploration kind of things, or more talkative, like you want to communicate with other characters in the game, more and more NPCs like fair maidens and such. I don't know. Let's see if that does anything. DNS, huh? What do you mean? Great idea. DNS? The domain name is DunginDragin. It's right here. DunginDragin. You're on this site, right? Thanks, man. Yeah, I wanted it to be close to like Dungeons and Dragon, but not too much of a I didn't want to get like copyrighted or something. So I thought that was kind of cool because it sounded like DunginDragin. You ever play DunginDragin? Like, oh yeah, I play that. Like, nah, you haven't. This is DunginDragin, not Dungeons and Dragons. You know, I don't know. I asked AI and it said that I would be safe for copywriting on this one, so I bought it. So. Yeah, so I'm adding the little slider thing that we talked about earlier, where it'll, I can adjust the level that I want to play. Which I don't know where it's gonna add it though. I had to have it generated tile by clicking it. Did you, when you generated the tile, did you do it like this? Like generate edit tile? Oh, what the hell? Well, I gotta wait for the code to update. So you can just move to a new tile and it'll automatically generate one for you. When you generate one with your own custom prompt though, you have to move to it. Alright, I gotta take a pee break. Be right back. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I should probably do that then. Staring down and no, and it auto rolls it down too. Doesn't do anything bad. Like I just had a critical failure and it still just went right back. See, that's what I'm saying is like I made it to where I thought I had made it where it's like, hey, if you fail, like something bad needs to happen. It's just like, oh, you're staring down at a gnome still. Narrative choice. onto the action. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna write that in the notes too. These specific actions generated. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, actually. I just added the little slider, which I don't know where it's at. Oh, here we go. Adventure, balanced mix of exploration quests and encounters. Collect items, solve mysteries, discover secrets. Rich NPC, dialogue-driven quests, relationship building, fair maidens, wise sages, and colorful townsfolk awake. Alright, let me try that. Let me move to this city and see. Alright, you find yourself standing at the edge of the Shadow Wall Woods, the trees looming above your skeletal air. My skeletal fingers. The air is heavy with the scent of damp rain. Alright. The dungeon master needs to give the player some sort of action to take. Every response or every encounter or every description should have some sort of action I can be able to take that can progress the story. So if I drop into a tile that contains a castle and I'm looking for battle, I might go talk to the king. Or if I'm in a forest and I need to go down a path, something might pop out. Or if there's a town that I'm in, I might search it for fair maidens, and I'll have dialogue with the fair maidens to learn about the fair maiden. Or maybe the fair maiden has a quest for me to go pick cotton for her so she can weave me a shirt, kind of thing. But every DM response should entail some sort of action that can be taken that progresses a storyline. Also, whenever I choose an action or I roll the dice, the outcome of it should lead to something new. So if I fail, something bad should happen and it should progress the storyline. So like if I'm going down a path and a creature appears and I try to attack it and I fail, then I get sliced and lose HP. Or if I am on a ice bridge and I try to jump across and I fail, then I fall and I take damage, and then I have to figure out how to get out. Or if I succeed, I jump over and successfully make it, and I'm on my way to the new castle or the new forest, or something along those lines. Let's see. Man, it's just like taking all my stuff literally. I might have to, if this doesn't give me anything cool, then I'm gonna sign off. I'm getting tired, so I'm like not really thinking about it too much. I'm just spewing stuff out. So if this doesn't sound cool, then I'm gonna log out. I got work at like 10 o'clock, so 3:33, make a wish. Alright, so let's see. Move here and let's see what it responds now. If you make a character appear, there needs to be some action, not just describing. Have the character either say something to me that enacts action, like it wants to attack me, or it has secrets, or that I need to ask it something, or it starts a conversation with me, or it says, "What are you doing in my forest?" kind of thing. It either asks me a question, it wants action, like it wants to fight, or it gives me the option to sneak around it to get to my next location, etc. Yeah, so it makes separate calls. So like each one of these little exports is a different call, essentially. So I got DM style rules, scene generation prompt, item examine prompt, item ask prompt, DM conversation guidance, DM action guidance, DM question guidance. So each one is different, but yeah, like I said, I'll look at it more detailed whenever I'm more awake. Tasked with correcting the ancient ones who now sleep beneath the crimson sand. But now I am bound to this place, doomed to watch as the sand claims all that lies above. The sand race words trail off, and it gazes out at the crimson expanse, as if searching for something lost long ago. You know what? I think using this free AI might be the problem. I think when I was just using Gemini, it was a lot better. Oh wait, let me see what you wrote, sorry. Cause it to bug. Yeah, I gotta see how they're actually getting called. Because yeah, you're right. I need it to be like direct. But it's all in here. I just gotta look. So like this is the prompts. Which, what is this? Return. Oh, it's wasting a slider. Yeah, these are the prompts, and then like the actual code is right here. So I'm too tired to like look through all that and see how it's actually getting called. This stuff. Heck yeah, dude. Are you in the US? Are you gonna like, when are you free? Cause I'm working at 10. I go in at 10. I'll probably work till like 3 or so, 3 or 5, and then after that I'm probably gonna hit up the gym for a little bit. I haven't been to the gym in like 2 weeks, so I'm gonna hit up the gym for like an hour or so, and so I might be on around Oregon. Okay, yeah, I'm in Colorado, so we're pretty close. Alright, dope, yeah. It's pretty inclusive for instructions in methods, so I'll make more sense after you slow. Yeah, I know, I wrote it down. You're talking about this, right? This one. For every response, extract 3 quality narrative choices to story with, then follow up exactly. Ensure each choice is relevant, concise, and extract from a place, path, object, or creature in the previous response, right? That's the one you're talking about? I know, I'm probably messing everything up. Yeah, I'm in Colorado, so we're close. I'll probably be on around like at least by like 8 o'clock at least. But hopefully earlier than that. It just depends on how long I stay at the gym. Oh, Discord. Okay, my bad. I didn't even know you sent me a whole text file. Is this you? Okay, sweet. Yeah, I'll definitely check that out tomorrow for sure. Let me see if this did anything though. Lingers on you. The secrets I speak are hidden in the way it's waiting to be uncovered. Let's regard tasked with protecting the ancient ones. The sand with me. What the hell? This guy just left me? Yeah, alright. Oh, I gained some XP though. That's cool. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it. I'm not getting anywhere really. I mean, maybe I am. I'm just too tired to even know. Whole narrative and logic process into the element level. Help the little bird. Alright, yeah, peace out, Softwire. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll probably be on around like 8. I don't know what the time conversion is. It's probably like an hour or so difference, maybe, if anything. If we're not the same. And then yeah, we'll work on that. I'll check out the prompt tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for checking out the app. I definitely want to hear more about your AI and your speed up stuff, and it'd be cool if you stream too ever, or posted more about it. But yeah, I'll be looking forward to that demo tomorrow if you get that link up. But anyway, other than mountain, so okay, hour behind, right on. Yeah, that's what I figured. Alright, well, take care, Softwire. It was nice chatting with you as well. Thanks for all the tips and the pointers. hopefully I can implement some of them tomorrow when I'm on a clearer head. But yeah, you have a good night, man. Appreciate you stopping by. Feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already, or my Twitch. I stream on both at the same time. Yeah, I'm down to. I want to check out the link. Yeah, I subscribed to your channel just now, so I'll probably stream on TikTok. Right on. On that note, peace out. Have a good night.